Welcome back, Wogglers. Today's deep dive, we're going to talk about pipelines. What are they? Why would you use them? All right, so in our pretend company here, we sell adventure pack kits to different stores. So think of like an outdoorsy store. You would go there and then you would buy a pre-made pack full of adventure gear to go off and adventure in the world. Well, we've recently decided to expand and offer a service as well to do adventure tours. You can call us and book a tour with us. So now we have these two separate deal stages and processes that need to happen in order to sell our physical goods to stores and also to create a service and experience for our customers. So if we look here at our deal, we've got initial inquiry, research destination, quoting, build the itinerary, deposit paid. All of the two processes and the stages required to do the two separate deals are all jumbled together, and it's very confusing, and who knows what's happening and what's going on. So this is where pipelines come in. We're gonna click our setup gear up at the top right corner, and then underneath customization, we've got pipelines. All right, so this is where the exciting part comes in. We're gonna create a new pipeline. So the first pipeline that we're gonna do is for our sales, our physical product sales. So we'll name this one product sales. All right. And so for this one, we're gonna go ahead and add a couple of stages that are required for our product sales. Initial inquiry, quoting, quote sent, quote approved, closed won, closed lost. And we'll go ahead and add in closed lost to competition. All right, so that is what we'll use here. All right, so we can go ahead and set this one as our default because the adventure tourism thing is new, so we'll have most of our stuff done in this product sales. All right, so now we have our lovely product sales, and this standard one has been created. So what we can do here is we can edit this one. So instead of standard, let's make this one our tour, our service. So we'll call this the service sales. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of the stages that we do not need for our tour service. So this quoting we're not gonna use, quote sent we're not gonna use, quote approved we're not gonna use, invoicing we will, and also all the closed ones and losts. So let's go ahead and save that. So now we have our two different pipelines, product sales and service sales. All right, so now what we can do is we can go into our deals and we can drop them into the appropriate pipelines. So let's take this initial inquiry one. It's right here at the beginning. So now we should be able to find our pipeline. So right now it's in the service sales pipeline. So as you can see up here, we only see the stages that are required for it to be a service, a tour booking for us. And that makes it significantly easier for us, me as an end user, because I as a tour booker would only ever want to see these stages because the other ones would just confuse me. Whereas if we wanted to create a new deal for our product sales, all we have to do is say new deal, assign an account. This is an existing business. We've worked with these guys lots before. And then say they want to close by the end of this month. They ran out of our packs. It's been busy for the holiday season. And so now I can see that all of the stages that are here are only for the product sales pipeline. So there you go. That is pipelines in a nutshell. See you later. Woggle woggle.